Welcome everyone to the next episode of the journey through apostolic succession.
In Acts 6:6 it says, "They had these men stand before the apostles, who prayed and laid their hands on them." We see that apostolic authority is transferred through the laying on of hands, ordination. This authority has transferred beyond the original 12 apostles as the Church has grown. Pope Clement IX was the 238th man to serve the role of leader for the Catholic Church. In his short pontificate from 1667 to 1669, he worked hard to heal divisions and nurture peace among all people. Next, let's see a few facts. Born as Giulio Rospigliosi at Pistoia in 1600, his education entailed learning at the Seminario Romano and then as a Jesuit pupil at the University of Pisa. In 1623, he earned doctorates in canon law, civil law, philosophy, and theology, and also taught as a professor from 1623 to 1625. In 1644, he became Titular Archbishop of Tarsus and then Spain's Apostolic Nuncio. He was also made Cardinal Secretary of State in 1655. Pope Alexander VII would elevate Rospigliosi to the cardinalate in 1657, specifically as Cardinal-Priest of San Sisto, Vecchio. After the death of Pope Alexander, Cardinal Rospigliosi was elected to the papacy by the unanimous vote of the Sacred College in June 1667 and took the name Clement IX. His papacy. Pope Clement IX demonstrated remarkable pastoral care in his relationships. It is said that on a daily basis he gathered 13 poor people at his own table, sometimes serving them himself. He visited the sick in the Lateran hospital and heard confessions daily. He also lowered the tax on flour. All of these things rightly earned him a reputation for holiness. He organized the church in Portugal after it gained independence from Spain. He achieved a break in the tempest of French Jansenism through a mild compromise known as the Clementine Peace, which was only temporary due to the secretary's insincerity. In 1668, he declared blessed Rose of Lima, the first saint from the Americas, and the following year he solemnly canonized Saints Maria Maddalena de Pazzi and Peter of Alcantara. Pope Clement IX did much to beautify Rome, including commissioning Bernini to sculpt the statues for the colonnade of St. Peter's and access bridge to Castel San Angelo. His pontificate ended with his death on December 9, 1669, after a pontificate of more than 2 years, and ordered his remains to be buried under the pavement of Santa Maria Maggiore, with the simple inscription Clementis IX Cineres. But his successor Clement X erected in his honor the magnificent monument which stands at the right-hand side of the nave near the door.
Thank you all for listening. As always, please stay tuned for the next episode. Please like, share, and spread the word to everyone around you. For the Lord and for the Church. God bless you all.